Hello, copy traders! Sino-sino ang mga copyers ni Forex Trader Mads? Sila ay mga teachers, engineers, office workers, bank employees, business owners, government employees, members of the armed forces, meron tayong lawyers, nurses, OFWs, IT personnel, freelancers, retirees, fellow traders, at mga investors in general. So, iba-iba sila, no? But they have one thing in common. They want to grow their money, they want to invest, and habang nag-work sila or ginagawa ang kanilang gawain sa buhay, kumikita sila sa forex market. And they let profitable and experienced trader, katulad ng inyong lingkod, to do the hard part of trading, like analyzing chart, monitoring the economic news, planning and managing trades, risk management, at marami pang iba. So, paano ba itong copy trading? So, every time na may i-open akong trade, no, the moment na nag-open ako ng isang position, mag-open din yun automatically sa trading account ng aking copyer. And kapag kinlose ko yung position, automatic din yun magko-close. So, lahat yun nangyayari and automatically in real time dun sa system ng broker. And ano ang kailangan mo kung gusto mo ring mag-copy trade? So, i-message mo lang ako and then i-guide kita, no? But basically, kailangan mo lang mag-sign up ng mag-register ng account sa mga broker, and then i-verify yung account at mag-deposit ng capital, and pwede nating i-set up ang iyong copy trade. And you know what, every time na mayroong magsiset up, it brings me one step closer to my aspiration, and that is forex trading for everyone. Thank you.